Hello everyone, this is my second video, and first of all I would like to thank everyone who has watched my first video and given so many views, and I'm really from the bottom of my heart very thankful to you guys. Thank you so much. So this video is when you upload a video on YouTube channel or when you start a new channel, what is the struggle or what is the feeling you get post that. So first of all, to be on the gooder side, I wanted to tell you that when I uploaded my video, so I was feeling very proud of myself that I started something of my own with my own choice. So that's a feeling which nobody can take away from you. So whether it is working, whether it is not working, that's something else, which will be coming up in the future. But I am very proud of myself that I have done that. So that's the first point which I wanted to tell you. Second point is the comments. So I really liked the people giving me feedbacks. Seeing that, I will come up with one of my video wherein I will be telling you guys that what is the problem which I faced at that point of time, what are the modifications which I did to get that video uploaded. It's a different thing, but when you upload a video or you start with your channel, you always think that you will be channelizing it, and you will be doing a lot of promotions. That how because as we are doing a YouTube and we are starting up with the channel, so we always have a knowledge that yes, where to share what and how to do that. Okay, so I created my Facebook page, the Instagram account I already have, and then Facebook I can do the promotion. I can do the promotion through WhatsApp. Twitter handle is there, and there are a lot of pages also, sub pages which I follow. There also I can do the promotion. So these are the different channels and the different handles wherein you can do the promotions. So coming back to the promotion part, so coming back to the reality of the world. So first of all, let me tell you that every platform own platform, and they will be managing it what how they want it to. So first of all, when you share any video from YouTube, okay, to your Instagram handle, so in Instagram you have only two options, rather three. One is like feed, one is your story, and one would be your profile. So when you share a video from YouTube, then the post which gets updated there, it will be as a text. So the video will not get uploaded. First of all, it will be as a text. Your link is as a text, so nobody can click on that link, and so there is no use. Because when as a customer, I also know that if I am getting a post, I am not link over there, then I would not be able to go to the video and see it. I will rather than scroll it upward and see others what they have posted, other posts. So that is the first thing. Second thing is that in the story also, if you upload as a story, then also there is no clickable link. Either you have to do it like scroll up function and all, that has to be embedded. That is the second point. But yeah, from YouTube you cannot do it directly. So third thing is that, which is little bit good, that you can attach the YouTube link which you have that in your profile. So in the profile there is an option of website attach, so you can just put the link there. So anybody is coming and viewing your profile, then he can click the link and he can watch your video. So this is the first thing. Now coming to the Facebook page and Facebook. So when you share a video from YouTube to Facebook page and Facebook, your Facebook account, so that comes as a banner, though it has a hyperlink attached to it, but it comes as a banner. That means direct your video will not play there. So what a person has to do, or what a customer has to do, if he has to see your video, then he has to click on that, and then he will be routed to the YouTube channel to watch your video. So this is the second problem which generally arises. Now the third is IGTV. IGTV is a different platform altogether. It doesn't have to, it doesn't upload the video directly. It doesn't, catch the URL also. So how IGTV works is that you have to upload the entire video, and then only you would be able to promote. So now, if I conclude everything, I will say there is no single URL which is getting promoted, and you, if anybody is liking on suppose Facebook, or other person is liking on Instagram, so it will not give you as a view of 2 views. It will only give you the view which has come to your YouTube channel. So there I find that there is a loss in terms of views execution and the count of views which we get generally. If there is a problem, there is always a solution attached to it. So coming back to the solution, so we have a lot of third party portals which can be used for promoting a single URL to different platforms. So I have gone through in 3-4 apps I have identified, wherein you can get one URL which will get promoted to different platforms. One is for iOS user, you can use iMovies. That is one of the best video creator app, which will allow you to share your video through different platforms. And second, I went through InShots. Then there is Zoho. These are the different platforms wherein you can get a single URL which can be promoted at different channels like Instagram, YouTube, and your Facebook page. You can add those single URL, and I think the views can be merged there together. So I will be exploring that, and I'll come back with my views on that and my experience on that, to give you an idea that how you can enhance your business through YouTube channel, and channelizing it to different platforms. So that I will be coming up with. So guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the ring button icon. I will be coming up more learning videos in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned and be happy, keep smiling. Thank you so much once again for watching my video.